Let's try to write a previous year question which was asked in the GS paper 3. Here the question says, why is public-private partnership required in infrastructural projects? Examine the role of PPP model in the redevelopment of railway stations in India. So this question can be divided into two parts. The first part says, why is PPP required in infrastructural projects? So I'll be addressing this part of the question directly using the definition and later on using a Benzene diagram where I'll be talking about what is the need for the PPP model. Next, coming to the next part of the question, that is examine the role of the PPP model in the redevelopment of the railway stations. So here the question clearly asks about examine. Now you first need to know what do you mean by examine. See, examine always means to inspect or to study something in a very close manner. That means you are supposed to use some data, you are supposed to use some facts, and you should understand the conditions and also the judgment. So let us try to write this particular question in less than 7 minutes. Let's start. Yes, we roughly took around 7 minutes 51 seconds to address this question. It is above the limit time. So let's see what we have written in this particular question. The first part of the question says why there is a requirement of the PPP in the infrastructural projects. So first I have defined what is PPP model and then the need for the PPP. It means to say it acts as a catalyst for economy, it attracts FDI, better infrastructure can be built. Risk sharing will be there, optimum allocation of resources can be done and promote innovation. Now this is a Benzene diagram that I have used. This Benzene diagrams can be used in areas where you want to put in more number of points in an attractive way. That can be done here. The second part is PPP required in the infrastructural projects? Yes. Private sector finance expertise can be there. Private sector is cost effective because they works on the profit. And government has complete control along with the private. So ownership still continues to be with the private and public, where public has the control. Addressing the second part of the question, that is examine the role of the PPP model in the redevelopment of railway stations in India. So here examination means I already told you to inspect and study something very closely. So here we looked into redevelopment of railway stations in India and we said that Rani station in Bhopal, that is Kamlapati station in Bhopal, is already developed, and this has helped in developing railway station which is costlier. It made it easier, improve operating ratio, better services are there. Likewise, increased revenue sources are also possible. So finally, I have given a conclusion saying that PPP can help to address challenges of financing, designing and maintaining complex infrastructural projects. So this way, a futuristic conclusion and telling that this is positive by examining. So this is the answer which is written in roughly 7 minutes and 51 seconds. You can also comment how we can improve this answer and make a better answer. Now please let me know how many marks will you give out of 10 marks. Also for the PDF or the image of this particular answer, if you want, comment answer in the comment section. We will share this image with you.